All right, moving on. New at 10 here. A Chicago attorney accused of swearing and using a racial slur during a virtual court proceeding. Let's go to CBS 2's Charlie DeMar. Charlie, that lawyer had a hearing of her own today.
And those comments were allegedly made during a Zoom call, and that attorney is accused of not being muted during that call. And the judge in this case, that Cook County judge, was extremely critical of what was said in court.
Chicago attorney Donna Makowski finds herself in the middle of a hot mic controversy. During a virtual court hearing this week, documents say that Makowski, quote, remained on Zoom and engaged in an unmuted conversation. Makowski is accused of using a racial slur and profanity in court. The judge called those comments unprofessional, disrespectful, and contemptuous.
I do not believe that her statements were contemptuous of the court. I do believe, however, they were certainly unprofessional. They were disrespectful. Attorney shouldn't be saying those things, whether they're on Zoom or not.
CBS 2 legal analyst Irv Miller says he expects Makowski to face consequences.
There may be certain professional consequences for her with the agency that regulates and disciplines lawyers for inappropriate activity. But I don't think that she should be held in contempt of court.
Makowski has been an attorney since 1984 and has not faced any discipline with the state's regulatory board. Last year, Cook County Judge William Raines was reassigned and ordered to receive sensitivity training. He's accused of making sexist and offensive comments during a live stream court hearing.
Since Zoom started, I can't tell you how many times I have seen cases on Zoom where people have acted totally inappropriately.
Back to Makowski, we stopped by her office, her home, and called,
Hi, you've reached the law office of Donna Makowski.
but did not get any response.
Now, Makowski did appear for a hearing today, and according to published reports, there was no finding of contempt against her, but her case was referred to the state's disciplinary board. Live in the control room, Charlie DeMar, CBS 2 News. Joe?
Charlie, thank you.